I already installed this backer piece. I'm going to install the next backer piece. I already have the screws pre-drilled. I'm just going to put the backer piece in place. And then I just screw it in until the screw countersinks. And then the other screw until that one countersinks. And then once these two are in place, I'm ready to put my piece of drywall up. And then that just requires one screw in each one of the backer plates. Until it countersinks. And then I'll shoot the next one in. It will find the hole every time, and then you're ready to put your tape on and mud it, and you're good to go.